In today's video, we are going to try solving this question. We have 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of 4x minus 1 is equals to 11 raised to the power of x. We have to solve for x. Now, the first step we are going to take in solving this question is using the law of indices that says x raised to the power of m minus n is equals to x raised to the power of m divided by x raised to the power of n. So when we apply the rule on our equation above, we have 2 raised to the power of x divided by 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x, then plus, using the rule again, we have 2 raised to the power of 4x divided by 2, and obviously is equals to 11 raised to the power of x. Now on the left hand side, since they are all divided by 2, we can write our equation as 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of 4x divided by 2 is equals to 11 raised to the power of x. Now the next step we are taking is to cross multiply. So we have our 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of 4x is equals to 2 multiplied by 11. Now our 2 raised to the power of 4x can be written as 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3x. So this will give us 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3x is equals to 2 multiplied by 11 raised to the power of x. Now, as you can see on the left hand side, our 2 raised to the power of x is common. So we can bring that out and we'll have 2 raised to the power of x brackets 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of 3x bracket close is equals to 2 multiplied by 11 raised to the power of x. Now, our 2 raised to the power of 3x can be written as 8 raised to the power of x. So this will give us 2 raised to the power of x bracket 3 raised to the power of x plus 8 raised to the power of x bracket close is equals to 2 multiplied by 11 raised to the power of x. Now our 3 raised to the power of x plus 8 raised to the power of x is going to give us 11 raised to the power of x. So we have 2 raised to the power of x bracket 11 raised to the power of x bracket close is equals to 2 multiplied by 11 raised to the power of x. Now the 11 raised to the power of x on the left can cancel the 11 raised to the power of x on the right, and we'll be left with just 2 raised to the power of x is equals to 2. This is still equals to 2 raised to the power of x is equals to 2 raised to the power of 1. So finally, since they have equal bases, we have our answer as x is equals to 1. Thanks for watching.